What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jelani Lion, and today I am drawing Donald Trump, the worst president we've experienced in our lifetime, in 5 minutes. This is no exaggeration. I can't think of a single president that I've witnessed in my lifetime that has done such a terrible job in dividing the country, in spreading hatred, and so on and so forth and whatnot. But here we go. Recently, our president has been depicted giving the middle finger to, I assume, to be a reporter. As you've known in the past year that he's been president for the second time, he's had a lot of disrespectful run-ins with the reporters in the media and whatnot. But nevertheless, this time lapse is going really fast. If you guys want to see a slower time lapse where I break down all the details and whatnot, please feel free to comment and let me know. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. But yeah, it's really simple. I kind of do the same thing for each drawing that I create. I start with a circle, and then I add guidelines for where the level of the eyes would be, and what I see as the middle, the center of the character's face and whatnot. Then I add eyes, add shape to the face, more shape, more definition and whatnot. Recently I've gotten into markers, and I've been having a blast, honestly, with markers and learning color theory and whatnot. Also, I've been doing this because I've created my own coloring book series. It's called Lion-Hearted Coloring Book. It's available now on Amazon. You can get one for you, your child, your niece, your nephew, your mother, your father, whoever. I'm making a new coloring book almost every month. Hopefully you will see. There's one actually available now for Valentine's Day. You should check it out. It's called Sweet Animals Coloring Book. But here we go. We're adding a lot of blue to Donald Trump's face for the shadow. Blue is the complementary color of orange, so that's why we're adding blue, because over top of the blue we're gonna be adding like orange / yellowy tones, and that's gonna work well with the blue that we're adding. So even right now, this has done a good job to add contrast with the orange or yellow line work that we started with and whatnot. Adding a little pink undertones in his face for like his pink fleshy tones and whatnot. Yeah, some people said in the comments on TikTok, they said that I shouldn't have drawn Donald Trump. I don't disagree, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Adding dark blue to the suit, and again, more shadow for contrast. But yeah, as you can see, it's coming together nicely. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me any questions at all in the comments. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ironically enough, I feel like I'm getting better at drawing Donald Trump. I don't think I'll be drawing him too much more. Maybe one more time, or we'll see like what the feedback is. But I definitely don't want people to get the wrong idea. I had some people who didn't know me they commented like, I don't know if this is anti or pro Donald Trump, and it's definitely not in support of Donald Trump. Never have been, never will be. But yeah, we got the American flag in the America, the shape of America and whatnot. So yeah, again, I don't even honestly know how this could have been taken as pro Trump or in support of Trump. He's literally giving the finger to America. Like, I thought this was a pretty clever political cartoon, but maybe they got to be more blatant, and more like maybe insulting or whatever the case is. But again, I don't think I'll be doing too many more Donald Trump pictures. But for someone who's not a fan of Donald Trump, I feel like this came out pretty well. Again, if you guys have any comments, make sure you comment. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, and also let me know what you think. Give me your feedback. And check out the coloring books, Lion-Hearted Coloring Books, that are available now on Amazon. The link will be in the description. So yeah, and then just the top of it all, the icing on the cake, if you will, was the red and back of Donald Trump to make the colors pop even more. Thank you if you've watched this far, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I appreciate you guys. Until next time.